Is your workshop safe and compliant every day? This guide will walk you through performing a daily workshop inspection using the eAuditor app. Discover how to keep your workspace secure and efficient with digital tools. Start by opening eAuditor on your device. It is your central tool for recording and reporting safety checks. eAuditor replaces paper checklists with a digital workflow. This makes inspections faster and easier to track. Available on mobile and tablet, it ensures consistency. Navigate to the Templates section in the app. Tap Create Template to start building your inspection form. Choose a blank template to create your daily workshop inspection. This allows you to customize it from scratch. Ensure it covers all necessary areas. Structure your template with essential sections. Include basic information like workshop name and date. Check work area condition for cleanliness and lighting. Verify tools and equipment are safe and functional. Ensure electrical safety by checking cables and panels. Add fire safety to confirm extinguishers and exits are clear. Include housekeeping checks for a tidy workspace. Use photos to document hazards visually. Write comments for problems or repairs. Collect signatures to confirm inspection completion. Open your template during the inspection. Systematically check each area and record results. Walk through sections like work area and tools. Document issues with photos and comments. Flag items needing follow-up before finishing. Daily inspections ensure safety and compliance. Digital records provide a reliable audit trail. Photos and signatures verify each inspection. Use this guide to keep your workshop safe and efficient. eAuditor makes it simple and effective.